Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll tell you about a secret website which is very unknown. With the help of this website, you will be able to create 3D images. Nowadays, 3D images are very popular for the promotions, for the social media post, and there are so many other things. And there are so many places you have seen these 3D images. So let's start the video. Firstly, we'll have to come to this website app.3df5.ai. I have given the link in the description. After logged in, you can get some credits. So you can create 3D images, real 3D images, guys. Click on so far. They have given some options. A very limited option is there. Sofa, table, cutlery, sword, shields, axes. So I'll create sofa. Let's see how it look like. Here you will have to give some additional prompt. So they have already suggested some of them. So let me pick one of them and click on generate. So after 1 minute, the result is ready, guys. You can see the result. This is so impressive. This is real 3D images. 100% real 3D images, guys. This is so fascinating. Even you can change their preview. See the quality, and their texture is 1024 pixels, guys. So this is so amazing. You can zoom up to, like, you can see the zoom. So this is so impressive. You can download it from here. For downloading their result, you will have to buy their premium plan. For this, buy and download. You can see their plan. Their plan starts from $5 for one images. So I hope you like the video. Thanks for watching. If you want to support us, please subscribe the channel. Thank you guys. Have a good day. All the best.